To celebrate hitting our very first 20 subscribers, I wanted to create a freebie that I know you guys are going to love. So I decided to create a free planner, and I designed an entire sticky note kit that you guys can use along with it. I wanted it to be fun and something that completely represents me. It's bright, it's energetic, it's cheerful, while also the planner is simplistic and just allows so much options for creativity and freedom to just plan however you want. I'll leave the link in the description box so you can just click it, grab it, download it, and plan along with me. So this planner is heavily inspired by the Papier desk planner. So I use that at work a lot, and it is just a paper planner and it's empty and it has boxes, but there were some features on it that I felt needed a little bit of tweaking in order for it to fit my needs the way I wanted it to. First of all, the Papier planner is physical and not digital, and they don't make a digital version, which is really sad, and they are definitely missing out. And secondly, the planner does not accommodate for achieving things on the weekend. It's like it wants you to stop working or stop being creative on the weekend, and only wants you to plan out things between Monday and Friday, because they've batched Saturday and Sunday into one box, and I don't like that. And I rebranded the font, obviously, to match my brand font. And I made a horizontal version and a vertical version. So depending on how you like to hold your iPad, it is basically the same thing in both orientations. So I made an entire sticky note pack, which I'm so proud of because I just love using sticky notes. I feel like it just makes the page pop and gives it so much energy and life. So now you know what the planner looks like. Now I'm just gonna flip through a bunch of different spreads that I had made so that you guys can see like different ways that you can use these sticky notes and how you can make your page be really cool. So we've got a green one, a purple one, pink and orange, and then this is just a couple like plain simple layouts, but just look at all those sticky notes. Isn't that really cute? I've made it so that you can just download the file and then import that file directly into your GoodNotes sticker book. And then you'll have a whole list of all the sticky notes and things that I'm offering for you guys to use. I wanted to create just a bunch of abstract shapes that just felt really, really fun and whimsical. So here's an example of 1 week spread completely full to the brim, showing you guys how you can use sticky notes to its fullest potential, add in little stickers from Google, add your own text, fill out your week. You can make a multicolored page just like this one, or you can make a page that is just strictly one color. I'm challenging you guys to really think outside of the box when it comes to these spreads. You really don't have to just use sticky notes. You can add photos, and this doesn't have to be a planner. It can also be a journal. So you can write your journal when the week is over, add all photos and maybe your favorite meals that you had, or just fun important things on sticky notes. But there's just so many different ways for you to make this planner creative because it's such a simple planner. That's it for today. I just wanted to show you guys my new planner, and I wanted to give it to you guys as well. So be sure to go to the description, grab the planner and add your sticky notes, and tag me if you make videos. I would love to see. Again, thank you so much for my 20 subscribers. We're only 2 weeks old, and I'm really, really excited for the growth of this channel, and I cannot wait to give you guys so many more tips for the iPad, for the iPad mini, and for all of your other tech devices, even Android. So see you guys next week. Bye.